Now we're going to move on to percent markup or margin. Now the percent markup or margin can be stated in two ways, either with the buying cost or the selling price. So the first way we can present it is the percent markup or margin of the buying cost, which is the margin or markup divided by the buying cost, and we multiply that by 100. And the second way is the markup or margin of the selling price, and this is the margin or markup divided by the selling price times 100. Now, why do you think we multiply by 100? Well, in both these statements, we're asked to find the percent, so that's why we multiply by 100. Okay, let's have a look at an example. Example 9. The buying cost of a book is 12 dirhams and the selling price is 15 dirhams. What is the markup or margin? Remember, the markup or margin is the selling price minus the buying cost. So this would be 15 minus 12, which is 3 dirham. So the markup or margin is 3 dirham. B. What is the markup or margin as a percent of the buying cost? Okay, so we know that the markup is 3 dirhams. We know that the buying cost is 12 dirhams. So the markup as a percent of the buying cost would be 3 divided by 12 times 100, which is 25%. And finally, what is the markup or margin as a percent of the selling price? Okay, so the margin stays the same, 3, but the selling price is 15. So the percent of the selling price would be 3 over 15 multiplied by 100, which is 20%. Example 10. A radio has a markup of 50 dirhams, which is 25% of the selling price. What is the selling price? Okay, so we've got to remember that the percent markup or margin of the selling price, because this question is about the selling price, is the margin or markup divided by the selling price. So we know what the markup is, it's 50 dirhams, and we know what the percent of the selling price is 25%. So if we put these numbers into our equation, we've got 50 divided by the selling price is equal to 25%. Now if we rearrange this equation, swap these two around, 50 divided by 25% equals the selling price. So the selling price is 200 dirhams. Thank you.